Hello everyone, it's Shannon with Shannon's Crafty DIYs. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you 4 different cute farmhouse DIYs. The theme is summer. However, you can use these DIYs all year round, and I think they turned out super cute, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember guys, I do post videos every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I would love it if you guys could hit that subscribe button and just click the bell button to be notified every time I upload a new video. All right, so why don't we begin with the DIYs, and we're going to start with DIY number 1. So for the first DIY, this one I was inspired by another YouTuber friend of mine. Her name is Lisa and Company DIY. I'm going to leave her link in the description box, so take a look at her channel. She made this really cute tier tray out of this cookie tin from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to recreate it in my own version. So I am just taking everything apart and I'm spray painting just the tin with the rust-oleum satin white. And I'm going to take one of these drummer dowel rods. I did pick this package up from Walmart in the States when I was still able to cross the border. However, you guys can just get some dowel rods here. I know you can get them at Home Depot or the Dollar Tree or Dollarama. I just think this is the best option because it is such a small diameter of the tin. But if you want a bigger tin, you can use either a vase or even a shot glass because they're small in diameter as well. But this just worked for me. So what I'm going to do is just stain both the dowel rod, and I found this wooden circle from the Dollar Tree. I did buy 2 of them, but I'm just going to use one for right now. And I'm going to stain them both in the Antique Wax by Waverly. So here are all the 4 pieces all dry, ready to go. So the next step, I got Craig to do this for me. He drilled a hole into the dowel rod and attached the bottom and the top part of the tin. I am still a little bit nervous using a cordless drill, which I know I shouldn't be. Craig seems to think I will be okay if I got a 12-volt drill, so I'm telling him wink wink, my birthday's coming up, maybe you can get me that for my birthday. So I forgot to get him to drill a hole in the disc, so all I did was just a quick little trick. I just used my scissor, the end of my scissors, and I just dug a hole. I just wanted to be able to match up with the nail that showed through the bottom of the tin, and that way the disc can stay flush to the bottom of the tin. So I'm going to show you this with everything else at the end of the 3rd DIY, so stay tuned. So second DIY, I have had these shot glasses for years, guys. You know Libby, it is a brand that Walmart carries. But again, I was almost going to toss these about a year ago. And then I thought, you know, I'm just going to keep them. And I love the green, but they needed a little spruce up. So now what I did is I just gave them 2 coats of the Decor Art Sea Spray, and I am absolutely in love with the outcome of these cactuses. They are so freaking cute. And I'm pretty sure Dollar Tree still carries these. I know I've seen them at Dollar Tree, and I know they have those margarita glasses now with the cactus stems. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen those because I have seen them recently, and I think I've seen some US haulers or YouTubers haul these as well. So remember the pack of succulents that I got from Michael's? I did get 30% off of these. These were $9.99 regular price. I got them just before Ontario went into a lockdown, but I just think these look so adorable in the cactus shot glasses, and I just love the colors of them. And I think honestly with the Sea Spray green, they just match so perfectly. So DIY number 3, I am taking some of these tumbling towers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use 12 total. I am going to make a sign. So you'll see in the end I will have made 2 signs. So the trick here is I'm just taking a level ruler and I'm just lining all the blocks up, and then I'm just going to hot glue everything together. This way I know everything is going to be straight and aligned properly. So here's what they look like all done. The larger one, I used 12 blocks total, and the smaller one, I used 8 blocks total, 4 per row. So this is another scrapbook pack that I got from the Dollarama for $1.25. I love these packages. I have used them so many times now, you guys. So I just found this really cute paper in the package with some succulent vases. So what I'm going to do is Mod Podge both of the signs to the one piece of paper that I've chosen. The reason is there were so many different patterns in that package, but this one just matched best with the sea spray green. So again, Mod Podging each one to the back of the scrapbook paper. And here I cut them all out. And a trick that I'm going to use here is I'm just going to take some 60 grit sandpaper and I'm just going to trim off the edges this way, and that way you get a nice clean edge and there's no ripping or tearing as well. Just make sure you use the sandpaper in a downward motion, not upward, so that you don't want the paper to pull off the wood. So this step, it's really up to you guys. I probably should have done the painting first, then the Mod Podge, but I wanted to paint the back of the blocks a color just to match the paper. So what I'm doing is I'm just giving the backs one coat of the Waverly chalk paint in Ballet Slipper. So you remember when I picked up these cute glass wall stickers from the Dollar Tree? I just loved the cactuses. I knew I wasn't going to keep them like a mirror, so I knew I was going to paint over them. I wasn't sure if I was going to paint them gold or not. I had an idea for something else, another DIY, but I'm just using them in this DIY because I thought they worked so perfect. So I'm just going to give two of the ones that I wanted for these DIYs. I'm just going to give them 2 coats of the Ballet Slipper. I know with wood you only need 1 coat really. With glass I definitely need 2 because you can see the glass through the first coat, so this way you get full coverage. So I'm just picking the 2 that I chose and I'm going to add them to the front of the signs. So here I'm just taking a toothpick just to get into the little grooves, just remove any excess paint. So I just stuck this one on with the sticker, and this one, the bigger one, it actually broke. So I'm just being very delicate with it here, but it doesn't even look like it was broken when you see the final results. So I'm just gonna hot glue it onto the frame, and oh my gosh, guys, these are so adorable with the pink. This is the tiered tray display. Thank you, Lisa, for giving me this tier tray idea. I think it is so adorable. This whole display was under $10 to make. I want to say those shot glasses were free because I've had them for at least 5, if not more years. So I hope you guys really liked this tier tray display. I am absolutely in love with it. So fourth and final DIY, I don't even think it's a DIY, guys. It's literally a revamping or just sprucing up this really gorgeous wooden frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just loved the succulent paper in the back, so I did not want to do anything to the paper. Here I was just actually going to use the Ballet Slipper and just do the outline of the frame, but then I was like, you know what? It doesn't look good like that. So I ended up painting the whole thing pink. Just be careful on the inside to go really slowly and carefully so you don't paint the picture. So here it is all done. Guys, 1 coat of paint and this Dollar Tree decor item just looks so much more high-end. I love, love, love this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did so much. I'm probably going to keep these displays on my dresser in our bedroom because they are so adorable. Remember, guys, I do post videos every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I would love it if you guys could hit that subscribe button and be part of my YouTube world. I hope you guys have a fabulous evening, and we will see you guys at the next video. Bye!